2015 Jeep, what is this? Cherokee. Got the button here on the shifter broke off, and shifter still works, but there's no button, and that's not G. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. Basically, the button only comes with the shifter handle, so I'm just going to show you how to replace this shifter handle. Basically, what you want to do is take this little fabric and just wiggle it down on this silver part. Just grab the silver part, just kind of gently pull that down as best you can. There's two screws. There's one right here, and then there's one on the other side, same exact screw. It's a T20. It's a Torx 20. And go ahead and get this off of here. Go ahead and do the other side. Okay, got that one. I'm going to grab this and just wiggle it up like that. And then boom, got my old one off. Now my new one, here's my part number. And basically it's the a new, let me get it for you. It's a new shifter with the new button. And it also comes with a new little silver piece in case this one breaks. And it came with new screws. So I'm just going to keep that metal piece on there because it didn't break. I can see why it would break though, because these tabs. I'm just going to drop my new one in. Just kind of wiggle it down into place. I'm going to put my screws in and then just put this back up and clip it back into place. Careful not to drop the screw down in here. I almost dropped it. Alright, so you don't gotta go make it tight on this, just, you know, pretty snug. Alright, about snug, and then maybe a little quarter turn. I'm gonna do the other side as well. Alright, same thing on this side. Just get it snug, and then a little quarter turn after. And then you should probably make sure it works. Let's see. Put the accessories on and just go through them all. It's working fine, and then we'll just go ahead and wiggle this back up and clip it in. Boom, done. All right, thanks for watching. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated, and I'll see you next video.